Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 16. 4 kinds of virtuous people worship me, O Arjuna. The dissatisfied, the seeker of systematized knowledge, the seeker of wealth, and the wise, O best among the Bharatas.
Chapter 7, Shloka 16. Chaturvidha bhajante mam jana sukritinarjuna artho jignasur artharthi jnani cha bharatarshava.
Chapter 7, Shloka 16. The union of matter and spirit forms the womb from which all beings in the universe have emerged. Inert matter is enlivened by the spirit, which gives dynamism to matter. Matter and spirit are the same in all beings, yet they behave differently, each invoking the same source of dynamism for fulfilling its desires. Like electric energy enlivens all equipment, without which they cannot function, yet all equipment are different from each other and have to plug into electricity to function. Even when the egocentric entities want to remain in ignorance and sorrow, they invoke the energy and sentiency from the pure consciousness. Whatever urges they want to satisfy of the body, the mind, or the intellect, they have to invoke the dynamism from the spirit. This invocation is in the form of prayers, where the ego surrenders itself to the spirit with a demand to its Lord to manifest and function in the given form of the activity. It is like plugging a fan into the wall socket to invoke the dynamic current to flow through it. The self has the monopoly to supply dynamism in the form of sentiency and life. Everyone must thus invoke the same self to express himself. Lord Krishna, the self, now explains how the numberless persons that approach him with endless prayers can all be classified into 4 distinct groups. A. Men who are dissatisfied even with the best, to get relief from the spiritual distress which is threatening them within. Invoke the spirit. B. Seekers of knowledge and understanding out of mere curiosity to know the nature of the self. Invoke the spirit. C. Those who wish to fulfill their desires in some field of activity or the other. They invoke the spirit. D. Those who want to end their separation and embrace the Lord, to be made one with them, the Jnanis, to invoke the Spirit. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.